this video, I will show you how to create customer profiling survey. First, you need to click Extensions, go to Form and load from template. You can search Customer Profiling Survey like this. After you found the template, just click it and load selected template. And now you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings too. You need to refresh the page like this, and then click Fill Form and Get Link, and then just click Continue here, and then choose your account. Just click Advanced and then go to Fill Form and click Allow here. And you will get the link like this. Just copy it all and paste it into your search engine. And now the form is ready to use. You can also custom the questions or anything in the form. Like for example, go to question type here. I want to insert new row. And for example text, and I just copy the questions and change it into name, for example, like this. And then it will show like this in the form. Or maybe you can change the text into date like this, and don't forget to change the questions too, and it will show like this in the form, so the audience can pick the date easily from the calendar here. Or maybe you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear. And go to settings to change the background color of your form. Pick the color that you want. It's very easy and it will change instantly like that. Or maybe here I want to give an example to change the style. For example, I delete the mark behavior, so the title will stuck like this. Thank you.